Hi guys, how are you? Anyways, it's Monday and I'm not working today. So guess where we're going? Si Austin nagki-crave siya for Shakeys. So dito sa States guys, we still have yung Shakeys na merong say hi Austin. Meron sila yung bunch lunch and it's like $15 per person, and ang sarap talaga guys ang fried chicken nila. I really love their fried chicken. So Austin's craving yung fried chicken, the Shakeys, and the pizza and pasta and everything. So we're going there, and guess what guys, ang lapit lang sa bahay namin. We just left our house, and then when we make a right turn here, andyan na. So anyways guys, napa-content ako kasi may nag-ask na i-greet ko daw yung son niya for his birthday. So sabi ko, sige, mag-shakies tayo para may content ako so I could go and do some shoutouts. So anyways guys, here's my list. So anyways, I just want to say happy birthday. Happy birthday natin guys si Prince Johan. Anak siya ng isa nating Sabi, her name is Venancia. And also hi to Ate Marlin Vlogs, Shirovi71, Alma Dapon, Manolo Brothers, Jackie Estardo, Mirna Yao, Chari, Marissa from Laguna, Samsam Vlogs, Herfy Gonzalez, Mina Gaupo, Zeni Salamanes, yan yung wife ni Jose. She also watches us. And Aya, I know you watch us. Oh, guys, so ayan yung Shakeys. Ayan. And then I'll take a video of what's going on inside. So anyways, guys, I just want to say, thank you. Thank you for watching. Even though yung mga content ko, simple lang. And I hope you like the content nung pumunta dito si Ana. And then, pinakain ko ng pambota. Oh my goodness, guys. Sarap na sarap siya sa pambota. And oh, hello Anna, I know you're watching. And pasok na tayo guys, let's see what they have. Hi guys, so we're inside, so I want to show you what they have. There you go, yung mga pizzas nila. My favorite ni Austin. They have garlic bread. They have like 2 kinds of spaghetti, mashed potatoes, corn and gravy. They have vegetables, rice, grilled chicken, mojo potatoes, and my favorite, the fried chicken. And then the drinks are over there. And I think itsura niya guys, oh. Old-fashioned Shakeys, and it's pretty big. Malaki siya guys, oh. And then that's the salad bar. So it's all you can eat. And like I said, hindi kami malakas sa buffet. So we don't really eat a lot. Pero gusto lang talaga ni Austin kumain ng pizza nila. And ako naman, I really love their fried chicken. So there you go guys. Fresh na fresh, oh. Ayan. Sige guys, let me get some food and then shika tayo. So ayan guys, Austin already got his food. And ako kinuha ko panay chicken and a little bit of rice and 1 pizza and macaroni salad. And that's it. Yun lang. So ito yung Shakeys nila dito guys, no? Ang laki. Oh, and by the way, yung son pala no viewer natin na whose birthday I think is on September 24th. Yung si Prince, he's turning 5 guys. So, greet niyo siya. Nakakatuwa naman. 5 years old. And there's Austin enjoying his food. Ayan. So guys, kayo ba? Do you guys like Shakeys? At saka may ganito pa bang kalaki yung Shakeys sa Philippines? Kasi I remember back in the 80s, very popular yung Shakeys, no? With their bunch of lunch at saka yung mga root beer nila. So dito sa States, hindi na ganun kadami yung mga Shakeys, and a lot of the pizza places dito sa States, wala na silang dine-in restaurant, mostly kasi a lot of people yung parang tini-take out na lang and they get delivery sa bahay nila. So yun lang guys, and let's go ahead and eat. I just wanted to show you. Ayan, ang crispy ng chicken nila guys. So kaya talaga ito lang yung kinukuha ko. I love their chicken. It's so crispy. Let me see. I'm si Austin. Austin! And he wants, guys, Austin wants to show you his chicken. Ano? It's delicious, no? Ang gusto ko sa chicken ng Shakeys, guys, ano siya, like yung ma-peppery, yung mapaminta yung flavor niya. Yan ang gusto kong klaseng fried chicken. Yan. Let's eat, guys. So, guys, the eating continues. Ayan yung second round ni Austin. Ako, I'm done na. Just one and then that's it. Like I told you, hindi ako masyado malakas kumain. And guys, when we go out to eat, kahit saang restaurant, I'm very organized. Ganyan ako, after I eat, I make sure wala akong kalat. Kasi ugali ko na, yung parang even though, you know, may maglilinis, it doesn't mean na dapat magkalat ka. You have to be mindful of your actions, you know, when you're out and how your actions affects others. Ganun kami talaga ni Austin, like even sa hotel. Yan, nakita nyo. Gusto ko yung parang hindi masyadong mahirapan yung server kasi kawawa naman. Ang busy-busy nila tapos magkakalat ka pa ng grabe. I don't know about you, pero ganun ako. Like kami ni Austin when we go sa, you know, pag nag-hotel kami yan. Like I make sure na I bring trash bags. Kasi para kung ano yung kalat, nakalagay siya sa trash bag para it's easy for the housekeeper to just like take the trash away. Talagang ganun lang ako. I'm very, like, madali ako maawa. Like, ayoko yung pahirapan yung mga tao. Di ba kasi ganyan tayo, no? Like, pag nag-hotel tayo, we make sure na hindi tayo makalat. Kasi minsan, no, pag nagdadaan ka sa mga rooms na open na may nag-check out, minsan grabe yung kalat na iniiwan ng mga guests. And I feel so bad for housekeeping. I know it's their job, pero it doesn't mean na mag-ano ka, di ba? Like, magpakaburara ka ng bongga. So anyways, guys, we're still here. Austin's eating his second plate. Ako, yun na yun. And after this, we're gonna go ahead and go buy some stuff. And then we're gonna go home. Kasi tomorrow I work. So, full yung schedule ko tomorrow. So, anyways, I remember pala, no? Nag-Shakeys pala si Kylie for her birthday, no? So, meron pa rin Shakeys na malaki doon. Pero yung Shakeys ito, guys, it's not a lot. Konti na lang. And yung fried chicken nila dito, it's very different sa fried chicken sa Philippines. Actually, guys, mas masarap. Masarap ng ano nila dito, ng fried chicken nila. It's very juicy. At saka, parang it's better than Chicken Joy. Kasi minsan, di ba, yung Chicken Joy, pag kinain mo sa loob, walang lasa. Pero ito talaga, even yung meat nila, very tasty. Kasi I remember, I tried yung chicken ng Shakeys sa Philippines before. It wasn't as tasty. Austin, how's your food? Masaya na yan si Austin, guys. Dumating na yung iPhone 16 niya last Friday. Pero hindi pa niya nabubuksan, ha? Hindi pa niya nabubuksan yung iPhone 16 niya. Kasi mahilig yan sa gadgets si Austin. Ako hindi. Kahit siguro 7 years hindi ako magpalit ng phone, okay na sa akin. Pero si Austin talaga, yan ang mahilig talaga yan sa gadgets. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to say thank you for watching. And again, this is how it looks. Ayan. Yung salad bar nila, ang daming salad. It's puno. At ang maganda dito, guys, ang bilis sila mag-refill. So anyways, thank you very much for watching. I hope all of you are well. And mahilig din ba kayo sa pizza? Ayan. Hi guys! So we just got out of Shakeys and I told Austin mag-mini tour tayo ng area namin before going home. So anyways guys, yung server natuwa kasi nung paalis na kami, nakita niya naka-organize yung mga plates. So it was easy for her to just like pick it up and dalhin sa likod, diba? And again, going back dun sa conversation natin kanina, ganyan talagang personality ko. I'm very mindful of my actions towards people, like the things I say, the things I do. Kasi alam ko yung feeling na yung mga tao na hindi mindful sa actions nila sa akin, na you know, they don't care kung maka-hurt sila ng feelings or yung hindi sila nagki-care. Kaya ganyan talaga yung kami ni Austin, like maingat kami na wala kaming maabala. At saka kung, yun nga, like I said, like yung kanina, ibang tao, magkakalat lang. Pero hindi ko yung ginagawa kasi naawa ako. Even though it's their job, it doesn't mean na wag kang, na maging makalat ka and hindi ka nagki-care. So anyways, magandang magandang rules to live by yan, especially sa mga bata. Ituro na yung actions sila, maging mindful sila kasi kung ano yung gagawin nila will affect others around them. Diba? Kasi kung ikaw mindful ka sa actions mo, tapos ituro mo rin yan sa mga bata na like sa mga anak nyo, na maging mindful sila, maiiwasan na magkakaroon ng mga gulo, tampuhan, and it's gonna be easier, to live around people like that pag yung maingat ka. So anyways, yun lang. Eto guys, I think baka may nahulog dyan. Ngayon guys, sa freeway, alam mo maraming mga tao na nagde-drive lang sa side street kagaya nito, pero hindi sila nagde-drive sa freeway kasi ang freeway dito guys, ang bilis. So to enter lang, you have to like be really fast or else maa-aksidente ka. So itong area to guys, this is Buena Park and it's very quiet dito. Dun sa dulo ng street na yan guys, when you make a left, may hit mo na yung Knott's Berry Farm, and then you make a right, may hit mo na yung beach. And then ang nila nasa left lang, no? Nasa left lang na dire-diretso. Dire-diretso mo lang yan, you will hit yung street na ando na yung Disneyland. So malapit lang lahat yan guys sa bahay namin, pati malls, marami dito mga restaurants, at saka itong area na to guys, maraming Filipino dito, Filipino, puti, and back in the days Japanese, pero ngayon karamihan na naputol. Karamihan na ng tao dito ngayon, mostly population Koreans, so ayan guys, so there's Popeyes. So anyways guys, andito na yung store. I just wanted to go to Dollar Tree. And I forgot, In-N-Out is over there. I'm not sure if you can see it. So anyways guys, thank you for watching, ha. And again, content ako just to say happy birthday to Venantia's son. Happy 5th birthday, little guy. And again, thank you very much. And tawag dito, I hope all is well. Wala kayong mga sakit-sakit tsaka mga problems dyan. Take care guys. Till next time. In a few more months, uwi na kami sa Philippines. So mas magiging interesting yung vlog natin, kasi we're gonna go vlog Roel's Resort. Roel and what's going on. And especially si Austin. He's going to celebrate his birthday in the Philippines. Diba? So I'm gonna go buy food. And I already bought like mga paper plates and everything, yung mga thick dito, like lahat ng supplies, para hindi na namin sila maabala to worry about all the other stuff when we get there. Say bye Austin. Bye guys. Thank you again.